Popularised by the newly formed Premier League in the early 90s, Sky Sports is agreed by many to be the premium way to watch football. And today, more than ever, as Sky once again strengthens its ties with the world's most beloved football league. Sky Sports remains the champions of football coverage, having won the rights to cover a record-breaking minimum of 215 live games a season, all the way through to 2029. That's more than any sports broadcaster ever. A serious amount of football and great news for Sky Sports customers. Sky Sports has its roots firmly in football, but since its birth, year by year, Sky have extended the channel lineup to include coverage of just about any sport you can imagine. The Sky Sports range has evolved today into dedicated channels for all your favorite sports, including Sky Sports Premier League, Sky Sports Football, Sky Sports Cricket, Sky Sports F1, Sky Sports Golf, Sky Sports Tennis, Sky Sports Racing, and more. Plus, Sky Sports Action and Sky Sports Arena channels are dedicated to showcasing major events in boxing, rugby union, rugby league, NBA, NFL, motorsports, darts, wrestling, and way more. And don't worry, any major event that simply cannot be missed will be broadcast on the Sky Sports main event channel, so you won't miss a second fumbling around with the TV remote. Unfortunately, Sky haven't caught on to the potential of a dedicated Sky Sports curling channel just yet, but just you wait. We've got high hopes here at OffersNewCustomers.co.uk. Sky Sports have exclusive coverage of the most sought-after live events. But that doesn't mean there's only one place to watch Sky Sports. Today, there are many ways to grab Sky Sports without having to endure the whole 18-month contract, even when the sports season is over. We've come a long way from exclusive premium Sky subscriptions thanks to competitive TV streaming platforms. Enjoy Sky Sports month by month now with any of these suggestions in our article here today, so get yourself over to OffersNewCustomers.co.uk to find out more. If you'd like to read through this article and more and find out the latest up-to-the-minute deals, head on over to OffersNewCustomers.co.uk by clicking the link below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech in broadband, TV, and phone packages.